Okay, so this is Brooklyn's new trick that he has learned. Every time I open the refrigerator door, he jumps right in. Apparently, he wants to be a frozen kitty. He also wants to see what Diet Coke tastes like. And as you can see, he's sitting there and he's just very curious. He's thinking, how can I get up to that next shelf? You know, if I put some Chinese food in there, he'd be right at home. Brooklyn, you knock over my cheesecake, you're a dead cat. Brooklyn, would you get out of the fridge? Thank you. Did we finally get cold enough? Brooklyn? Brooklyn? Brooklyn! Oh yes, that moves. Yeah, that moves, doesn't it? Alright. Brooklyn, out of the fridge. Come on. Go. Not in the fridge, out of the fridge. Would you tell me what the heck you're doing in there?